morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am back on YouTube after a very long time. Actually, I was very busy with my work, but I thought I should change the environment and take some break. So today we made a plan to go to Barossa Valley, which is very famous for wine tasting, but I'm not gonna taste. But we got many other activities like a hot balloon and helicopter ride, beautiful scenery. So we made a plan to go there today with my friends, and yeah, I'm so excited. So I will go back to my room, will change, and then also you there. All right guys, so we have arrived at the place and I can see the helicopter actually on helipad, and I am sure it's gonna be really fun. So we will be enjoying. I have my friends, you can see they are standing taking pictures because this place is really spectacular, amazing. This place is really beautiful with the background of a mountain background and vineyard, so amazing view. And now we are going to reception because we have a booking for heli rides. So guys, we came here to take a ride of this helicopter. So this is the steering to move these wings, I think, and then this is the second one for second passenger. I don't know where other two passengers gonna sit because we have to book for 4 people, but I think it's gonna be interesting. So let's take a ride. So we just finished helicopter riding and now we are going to another beautiful place, and this place is called Whispering something wall, and I hope we will be having a fun. So again, my friends, I'm back to you. Xander is also always as usual is here, so I will show you that place which is really beautiful. See you. So we have arrived at the Whispering Wall, and interesting thing is why it's called a whispering. It's written here, and within a short time we're gonna try either it's true or not, and it will be true. It is true actually. So let's see. We send one friend, she will go down there, she will stand here, she will whisper, and that end we will be standing and we'll try to listen. I mean कान को दीवार के साथ लगा के सुनेंगे हम. So let's try and let's see. So if you can see her, she is waiting. We are going to that end. She will whisper and then we will try to listen, and हम सुनने की कोशिश करेंगे कि यहाँ इस end से हमें सुनाई देता है कि नहीं. So if you guys can see the friend at that end, she is waiting, she will whisper, and down the way the voice will come like this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and we will try to listen here. Look, she's whispering. She will whisper. Wow, say something to my viewers. Like, share and subscribe. That's good. That's good. Alright, so guys, we are back in Adelaide. वापस आ चुके हैं. Up time to say goodbye to my friends. So thank you. It was really good day. Nice to meet you. Hopefully we will see next time. Thank you so much. So guys, अभी तक के लिए इतना ही. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I can't promise, but I'll try my best to upload a video. So अभी तक के लिए इतने ही. मिलते हैं next video में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Bye.